Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a group voice call on the Telegram app for PC, using the latest update. It's easier than ever, so let's dive right in. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find the group where you want to start the voice call. You can do this by searching for the group name or scrolling through your list of chats until you find it. Once you've opened the group, you'll see all the messages and media shared within that group. Now, look for the call icon at the top of the chat window. It's usually the middle icon among the options available. Click on it. When you click the call icon, you'll see the option to start video chat. Select that this will initiate a video chat in your group. After the video chat window pops up, you'll be asked to choose the group again. Go ahead and click Continue to confirm. Here comes a handy tip. To switch from video to voice only, just disable the video. You can do this by turning off your camera so the call turns into a group voice call instead of a video call. And that's it. You have successfully started a group voice call on Telegram from your PC using the new update. With these simple steps, you can easily host a group conversation with your friends, family, or colleagues, all from your desktop. This feature is perfect for meetings, catch-ups, or any time you want to share your voice with multiple people at once. Thanks for watching.